installing a Windows 7 virtual machine on your PC is very easy, but before that let me just show you the configurations of my machine. So basically this is the configuration, you can check it. For the installation we are only going to need two things here. One is the VMware Workstation player and second one is the ISO image file of Windows 7. You can use any version of Windows 7, that would be fine. So now I'm going to click on create a new virtual machine. Then I'm going to browse the ISO image file of Windows 7 which I have kept it on my desktop. So I have selected that image. Now I'm going to click on next. So for the easy installation, the first option which I get here is the Windows product key. So you can put up your Windows 7 product key here. Second option is for which version of Windows 7 you wanted to install it on your PC. The third one is the name of the virtual machine. So I'm going to change it here. And the last option is for the password. So again this is asking me for the virtual machine name, which I'm going to change it right now. So in the next option it is asking where I have to install the Windows 7 image or Windows 7 we can say. So for that I'm going to make a new folder in my E drive, since my E drive is having a low space. So here I have made a new folder. So all the image related files will come here only. Whatever I will install or download on that Windows machine, that will take the space in my E drive, not in my C drive. So the next option we have here is for the capacity of the hard drive. So by default it is a 60 GB, but I'm going to change it to 100 GB since I'm going to install some heavy softwares on that virtual machine, so that will take some space. So next here we have the customization hardware option. So again I'm going to change my RAM capacity from 2 GB to 4 GB. Because as I already told you, I'm going to use some heavy softwares, so for that I need at least 4 GB RAM. Everything else looks good to me, so I'm going to start the installation process now, and this will going to take some time. So I'm going to fast forward this. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Windows 7 virtual machine here. So next I'm going to install VMware tools on this virtual machine, because that is also a very important software and you must have it on your virtual machine. To install VMware tools, first click on player, and from there you can get this option. So now it is asking me for the restart, so I'm going to restart this virtual machine, and once this gets restarted, then I'm going to change the host name, that is the computer name. So now I have restarted my machine, and as you can see, it is showing me some weird computer name, so I'm going to change it now. So from here I can change my host name, that is the computer name, and then again it will ask for the restart, and once I restart this machine, my computer name will also get changed.